Hey guys, today I want to come on and share with you this Belgian waffle maker. This Belgian waffle maker allows you to make gourmet style waffles in just a few minutes. It has a very neat indicator light on it that will light up green when it's time to pour your batter in there, and then once it goes off one time, it will be time to take it out. And if you want fluffy waffles, you can leave it in there until the indicator light goes off twice. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so I have it here and I'm going to heat it up, and I'm going to mix up some waffle batter and put it in.